Treat boy.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, guys, so today's video, this is a clean with me. I have not done one of these in a little bit, and I've actually had several people in the comments section ask me to do another clean with me. You guys seem to like these, so that's what we're going to be doing today. And obviously, from the looks of my house, it needs it. So just for reference, this was about a month ago. That's why you're going to see a little bit of like Easter stuff in there and whatever. But I had filmed all of this about a month ago, and I'm just now getting around to posting the video. So if you do see some Easter, that's why. But nevertheless, the house is absolutely upside down, a total mess. I've got dishes in the sink. Always. I've got dishes that need to be put up. Look at that. That's just disgusting, y'all. How does this happen? How do I let this happen? I do not know. I just get busy. That's how. It's life. It's part of it. You know what I mean? It's just part of it. And a house like this, it just means it is lived in. We live here, you guys. So anyways, the living room, the kitchen, my bedroom, all of it. Total mess. I've got stuff scattered from here, there, and yonder, and it is just an absolute wreck. So what we're going to do today is clean this up. And while I'm cleaning, I'm going to be giving you guys some tips and tricks on some more effective cleaning and less time clean, you know, like it takes you less time to do it and whatnot. So we're going to be going over that kind of stuff today in this video. I hope that you guys enjoy this. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Guys, it totally helps my channel. It helps YouTube to recognize my channel. So if you could please give it a thumbs up, that would be awesome. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. That is, if you come back for any videos after seeing how messy my house is. Don't judge, you guys. Don't judge. Especially when we get into this laundry room because it's always a mess. Oh, my word. Look at that. What in the world, y'all? Clothes upon clothes upon clothes. All those are clean, actually. I just need to fold them. I got this bad habit of pulling my clothes straight out the dryer, throwing them up on the counter, and just calling it a day, you know? I don't know. Anyways, let's jump right into this. All right, guys, here we go. So there's nothing worse than walking into your living room only to realize it looks like a pigsty. If you're anything like me, you try to maintain a certain level of cleanliness, but certain things, work, kids, and the love of a good nap somehow always get in the way. Well, fear not. After extensive research, I have come to realize that cleaning, while never being fun for actually 80% of the population, it can actually be really easy and effective. So, on my couches, I use the Chomp Chomp. It is a very cool little tool I got from the Dollar General store. It gets off any kind of dog hair, any kind of hair, but it really takes the dog hair off. It is so perfect for what I need it for. Look at that, you guys. Look at all of that just came off of my couch. That's disgusting. But at least the little Dewey works, okay? It is called a Chomp Chomp, and I got it at the Dollar General store. So, anyways, as a living space is incomplete without a sofa, it is important to clean it from time to time. However, cleaning a sofa and removing foul odors requires your time and effort. Using baking soda is one of the most effective and time-saving ways to clean a sofa. Simply sprinkle a layer of baking soda on your sofa, let it sit for approximately 20 minutes, then the baking soda will actually help remove unpleasant odors. Finally, vacuum the sofa, removing all of the baking soda. Also, for stains, I have actually washed my couch with laundry detergent, you guys. I just filled up a bucket, put some laundry detergent in it, got me a microfiber towel, washed down my couch with that laundry detergent, and it smelled so good. But the baking soda is just a fantastic way to get it out of your couch. Now, as far as dusting, I don't dust very often, and I don't really use dusting spray. I use like a multi-purpose cleaner when I do it because it's so far and few between that I actually do it. I feel like it needs to be cleaned, not just wiped off with like a polish. So I actually have been using the multi-purpose spray from the Dollar Tree. It is lavender scent. They have a peppermint sage, and they also have a lavender scent in this particular spray. So that's what I've been using to wipe all of my surfaces down with. And then, of course, time to vacuum. I got to get the vacuum out, go over all of the floors really well, go over my rug really well. I love this vacuum. It is a Shark. And it is fantastic. It works really, really well. I got it for Christmas last year, and I love it. It's just a really good, it takes a while to charge, but it is really good once it is charged. Cleaning the windows. Always got to clean the dad blame windows, y'all. My dogs do a number on them windows. They always do. They look so rough. Look at that. That's terrible. But anyways, we're going to clean it. So I just added a little spray, and we're going to wipe that dude right off. Now, here's a little trick. So, did you know that you could actually use cream of tartar to clean stainless steel? You can use it to make a paste. You just have to mix it with a little bit of water to clean stainless steel. It will clean off any grit and make it sparkle. Did you know that you could use sea salt to clean cast iron dishes? Just sprinkle a little onto the dish and use a sponge to scrub it clean. Now, this handy little machine that I'm using here is a Tenneco 2-in-1. This is what I use to mop with, and it works fantastic. I actually bought it at Walmart. They have them all the time. It was around $200, but totally worth it because you can sweep and mop at the same time with that particular machine, and I absolutely love it, you guys. Guys, there are all kinds of methods and hacks for cleaning just about everything. Some of them more effective than others. There are golden rules, 15-minute, 20-minute rules, and various stage cleaning methods to ensure that your home is spotless at all times. But at the end of the day, most people are just looking for the best cleaning tips to help them clean faster, more effectively, and less frequently. Lord have mercy, is that not the truth? Luckily, I know fact from fiction when it comes to cleaning. So you can actually get your home sparkling with minimal effort. And like I said, I'm using the all-purpose spray from the Dollar Tree to clean with. Now, this spray I'm using on the countertops is some just real good smelling spray that I bought. It's an all-natural cleaner that somebody makes and actually brings to the flower shop. And I purchased it from the flower shop. So it just makes your house smell good. And I knew that my countertop was not just completely dirty, or so I thought. I've got a couple places I had to really scrub. But anyways, I just did that to make it smell good. Now, when I get over here to the stove and whatnot, I'm going to use my Mrs. Meyer's because it is fantastic on grease and grime, y'all. I love the Mrs. Meyer's cleaner. I use it all the time. I talk about it all the time. It is just a fantastic cleaner to be all natural. It is safe around your pets, your children. I mean, it's just a good cleaner, and it smells so good, and they've got so many different scents, and I absolutely love the Mrs. Meyer's, guys. Anyways, so I got the kitchen wiped down. Everything looks nice and neat, and everything's looking good. Look at my sourdough bread. And then there's this. Oh my gosh, you guys. So I'm going to have to get started on the dishes, but first I'm going to do this floor. So I do go over the floors with my Shark once again, and then I'm going to mop them with that 2-in-1 Tenneco. But let's get back to our tips and tricks. So did you know you could clean a baseboard with a dryer sheet? If your baseboards are anything like mine, they are covered with a thick layer of dust. You can simply clean it with a dryer sheet, you guys. The baseboards are prone to getting dusty and covered in hair, so simply run the dryer sheet over the baseboard. The sheet will clean the baseboard and repel dust and pet hair. Repel it, y'all. Hello, that's what we want. Did you know the best way to remove pet hair from carpet is with a squeegee? Using a squeegee is a magical method for extracting hidden pet hair. Just move a squeegee back and forth across the carpet and let it do the magic. Seriously, you guys, It is so awesome. All right, so no scouring sponge? No problem. To clean your glass baking dishes, first fill the baking dish with water. Add a few drops of dish soap. Now, take an aluminum foil and create a small ball. Scrub the baking dish and the grime will come off of the dish by using the aluminum foil ball. It is one of the fastest ways to clean glass baking dishes. Now, this is one I'm going to have to try. Clean oil stains with Coca-Cola. Just pour a bottle of Coca-Cola on the stain and leave it. The acid in the Coke will loosen the stain, which you can easily wash away. So that's one I'm definitely going to have to try on our concrete out front. We had a little place where some oil got spilled during a fish fry, and it's on the concrete, can't get it up. Soap and water does not work. So I'm definitely going to try this Coca-Cola trick for sure. If you guys try any of these, please let me know in the comments section. Okay, so I wasn't even going to film a video today. I'm just at home. This is my day off. I'm cleaning house, kind of doing my thing. I got some supper cooking. Anyways, I go to start a load of laundry and I'm like, oh my gosh, I've got to clean my washing machine. I've been saying that for a month. It's bad. So I thought I would just show you just exactly how bad it is. And we're going to see what we got to use to get this all cleaned up. Okay, you guys. Let's check this out. I'm going to set up my camera so that I can show y'all cleaning it. But look at this. How have I made this much of a mess? And how did I let it go for this long? Guys, that's so bad. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I'm going to be using some of the Dollar Tree's pink formula all-purpose cleaner. I'm going to spray it down good with that. And then I'm also going to, overlook the clothes that I need to fold. I'm also going to use some of the Barkeeper's Friend and one of these scouring Scrub Daddies. So here we go. So I'm just going to spray it down good. Spray all of it. I'm probably going to need a brush as well to scrape some of this off. Because it's bad. Up inside there. It doesn't stink or anything though. It's kind of strange. It doesn't have an odor really. It's just dirty. Okay. Now I'm gonna let that sit for probably, I'd say I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes. Just let it kind of do its thing a little bit for a minute. Because it does say for grease and grime, so hopefully it'll kind of cut through some of the washing powders that is stuck on the machine. So I'm gonna go get my little scrubby do thing, and also we're gonna use some of that Barkeeper's Friend in a minute, but I'm gonna let this kind of do its thing for a second. Okay, I'm back. So I've got my little scrub dude here. I'm gonna use this to kind of go around inside there. And then I'm going to also use this and the Barkeeper's Friend to get up on the sides of the walls and stuff. And also, I can run water out of it. Okay. You guys, that pink stuff spray worked really well at getting this off of the sides. I didn't even have to go in with my little scrubby brush still. I don't think I'm gonna have to use that. Oh, it looks so much better, y'all. All right, y'all, that is it for today. I hope that you have enjoyed this little clean with me. I know it was a little different. I know we did things a little different. I hope that y'all did enjoy it, though. I tried to research and find some really good tips and tricks. So anyways, if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right, guys. Thank you so much for being with me, and y'all have a blessed day.